Hi, this is from Source University. There's a job opening for the technology SQL DBA for the company Career Worldwide. The location is Pan India. They are looking for strong experience with installation and configuration and maintenance of Postgre SQL database using Terraform. This includes performing regular backups and restore, monitoring performance and ensuring high availability. And cloud experience is also a plus. Second technology is requirement of SQL, senior SQL DBA for a multinational jewelry company. For a company called EducoHire, the location is Jaipur. They are in need of 7+ years of experience candidate with the key responsibilities of managing Microsoft SQL Server databases, configuring and maintaining database server for the process, and ensure high level of performance availability and sustainability of security if needed. The third technology is MS SQL DBA Senior Technical Lead for the company Sopra Steria. The location is Tamil Nadu. The job description is the responsibilities are manage SQL Server database throughout the multiple product lifestyle environment from development to mission critical production systems and configure and maintaining database server for the process, including monitoring of system health and performance to ensure high level of performance availability and security. The qualification need is 8 to 12 years of MS SQL Server administration experience is required. Experience with performance tuning and optimization using native monitoring and troubleshooting tools is required. The fourth technology is team lead for the DBA or SQL Server developer. The company name is Verint. The location is Bangalore. They are looking for installing and configuring SQL Server, software, and related tools, designing and developing and maintaining databases, add database schemas, ensuring database security, integrity, and performance is needed. And the education qualification must be bachelor's degree in computer science or related field. Experience, at least 2 years of experience as a database developer is needed. And the fifth technology is team lead for the DBA or SQL. Sorry. The fifth technology is Microsoft SQL Server Database. The company Accenture India, the location is Hyderabad. They are looking for 2.5 years to 4 years of experience candidate. The location is Hyderabad. Must have skills of Microsoft SQL Server Database Administration and good to have skills is Microsoft Azure Database Instruction. And they are looking for 24/7 in working relationship is a mandatory, and the qualification is BE, BTech, or MCA or equivalent 4 years of degree or PG in computers is required, and 15 years of full-time education is required. The links will be given in the video description for these jobs, so you can apply them directly. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.